Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we're starting a new unit on informational text. I love informational books. There's so many things I want to learn about, and sometimes I don't have enough time to find books about all these interesting things to read about. So this is your time to really um, find books that you like to read about, things that you really want to be an expert on and know more about. But today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about how to organize your books that you're going to be reading. So maybe if you're at school or you are at home, you have a stack of books like this. This is not very easy to go through and look at, is it? It's not very organized. So we're going to take a minute. I'm going to grab my basket. And I'm going to show you how we're going to organize our books today. And then I've got Epic Online. I'm not sure if you're reading online. I'm going to show you how you can organize books online too. So as I go through my books, I'm going to kind of sort them by topic. Topic is what they're about. So I picked up some informational books that I kind of like. So here's one on amphibians. I love frogs. I think frogs are so cool. This looks like a salamander. So then here's one on lightning, on storms. That's interesting. Here's one on rocks. I have a lot of science books because I teach science. So let's see, dolphins. Now I'm noticing that, a lot of my books are, sciencey books, which is what I'm interested in. Oh, here's a cool one on owls. I really love owls. Don't you love owls, boys and girls? That'd be fun to read a book about owls. So I'm thinking, how are some of these books alike? Could they grow in a group together? And then if I wanted to read a book about like a certain thing, I'd know where to look. I'm looking at the books I have. An owl is an animal. A dolphin is an animal. Lightning is not an animal. An amphibian, like a frog or a salamander, is an animal. So maybe I should make a group of animal books. So boys and girls, that's what I'm going to do. I've got my pile started for animals. I'm going to take a card and I'm going to write animals on it. So I wrote animals on my card. I need a better marker here. And then in my basket that I've organized, I'm just going to put the animal paper right in front and all the animal books will go behind that. Oh, look, here's one on horses. I know there's kids that love horses. Oh, this is about the moon and the first trip to the moon. I'm wondering, does that fit any of the other books I have? Lightning and racks? Not so much. I'm going to keep looking. So these books I really don't have in a group yet, but I have lots of animal books so far. Let's see what else I have. Yeah, I got quite a few books. Oh, look, here's another book about night animals. Here's a book about nests. Now, nests aren't really animals, but it's animal homes. So it's okay to put that with animals. Oh, look, here's a book about Mars. You know what? Mars is in space, and my moon book is about space. So I'm going to put those two books together, get a card, and write space on it. And put it in my basket. So now I have some space books. Then if I flip through them, there's my animal books. So boys and girls, that's what you're going to do today is organize your books that you have in a stack that are information books that you might like to read. And then I'm going to show you if you're on Epic or on a different online program. What's nice about those is they've already organized the books for you because that's how they've organized the books. So if you look at this screen on Epic, I'm just going to click the search bar and you want to search books that your age and look at down below, boys and girls. It already has topics: pets, cars and trucks, fairy tales, exploring my world, dinosaurs, and sports. So we want to explore some books, and it's already kind of organized those for you. You can also do a search, and those search, sometimes you can do like a search for nonfiction books because that's what we're reading, are books with facts. So if you go into a section, let's say I go into pets, and maybe I want to search about dogs. So you want to click on your age, you want to click on nonfiction. Oh, and now let's say I just want dog books in a group. I can go through puppies, there's a dog book. I can go through and do the heart, and it'll make it my favorite, right? And look it over here. Now they're in a group. So I can click a new collection, give this collection a title, and I'm going to title it Dogs. So even online, boys and girls, you can organize your reading in your books because there's lots of books here. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope you enjoy organizing and getting excited about all those informational texts you hope to read.